All right. Test, test. Test, test, test. Okay. Audio sounds good. And since usually at the start nobody joined the stream, so actually one joined the stream. Hello there. Welcome Vixen to this stream. I was just about to start the stream. Alrighty. Let's start it then. Alrighty. Hello there. Welcome back to another stream. And probably my last stream for a while because next week it will be my finals exam. So yeah, I probably won't be able to stream next week and probably the week afterwards because usually it take like 2 weeks for the exam. Not because it's like a really long exam. It's just that like for some class they are having exam next week, and for some they're having the exam the other week. So yeah. Hi there, Damitas and Safir. Welcome to the stream. Our commission is still open. Well, for now I will pause it for a bit. But yeah, if you have like a commission thing you want for me, then yeah, you could just ask me on the on Discord or my Blue Sky, Twitter, or whatever way it's preferred for you. Just let me know, and then I'll put it on the queue there. So when I'm free, I could, let you know that I'm free and could start the commission work. But yeah, just reach out to me if you want to commission. Anyway, today I will be working on, I don't know. Just like last time, I don't really have anything like to focus on, like to work today. I do have a few projects here that I could work on. So let's see, which one should I work? Hey there, Prismarine Mulo. Welcome to the stream. Yeah. Sorry for last time I didn't able to join the game. Wait, when was that? I suddenly remember memories that I don't even remember when it happened. But yeah, I really want to play games together again. In fact, there's actually one game that I let me find it. What is it? Hold on. Remember. Anniversary. Right, there you go. Oh wait, I need to set my birthday because yeah. Oh yeah, speaking of that, next week it will be my birthday. Yay. Yeah, I already prepared a render for this for the birthday. Of course I will showcase that later next week. But yeah. Okay, so here's the game that I really want to like play together. It's an old game, but the 25th anniversary remaster added multiplayer, so you could play like, I think here you can only play like with 4 people, like 3 other people. So yeah, I won't be able to play with a lot, but I don't know. I just really be interested to try this, like playing this multiplayer. And I tried it with my friend, but unfortunately he cannot join for some reason. Like the game just doesn't want to install. But yeah, it would be cool if we could play this someday. Stream is loading. Why is so lag? Really? Let me check. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, my network is not doing well right now. Yeah, the bitrate is dipping on the red here on the Twitch side. So yeah, connection is just currently unstable. So if you're having a lag issue, then yeah, another birthday party full of tainers. I don't think I can do like uh I don't know, like a stream or something like that, because the birthday is actually right on like an exam day. So yeah, just gonna like post my render after I finish the exam. Oh, interesting. Yeah, no problem. Alrighty. If you no, I think you can just find it on Steam. But yeah, System Shock 2 25th Anniversary Remaster. Anyway, let's go back on what the hell am I supposed to do tonight? Oh, I thought it's my Wi-Fi. No, it's also my connection here is just not good. Oh, just buffering. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Sometimes like this, where the connection like to dips for no reason. But that's just how it is in Indonesia. We don't have any like high quality internet unless you pay like a lot of money for that. But yeah. How you finish all exam? Thanks. I try my best to finish all yeah. Anyway. What should I do? Well, I have that rig that Damit has requested, so why not work on that first? Because this one will be quite simple. So. Oh, why don't we all play MC or Roblox or something? Well, MC, I don't have Minecraft. I always play using the crack launcher, so I never have any like Minecraft account. But Hytale though, I could play Hytale. And the same thing with Roblox. I don't have Roblox, and I don't know. Games just not really interest me. So maybe I could. Like, if any of you have a Hytale, maybe we could like play together. I don't know about survival, because right now the survival aspect in Hytale still feels a bit bare bone. Maybe you could like play server or something. I don't know. You send the game name in DMs? Sure. Might as well send the whole Steam link here. Oh, shit. Okay, there you go. Here you go. Hey there, Muhammad PRH. Muhammad PRH, welcome to the stream. Kalau I got money, I could buy an MC account. Yeah, that's also one thing that the reason why I never get any like Minecraft account, because it's quite expensive, if I remember. Like, how much is it for like a Minecraft account? At least now it's better, because when you get Minecraft, you get both Java and Bedrock, if I remember. Yeah, when you get the Minecraft account, you get both Java and Bedrock. So it's not just like only Java account or only Bedrock account. So you can like get both. But yeah, let's see, PC, Mac, and Linux. Ooh, yeah. Well, the standard edition is only $30, but I don't know. How much for Hytale? Oh wait, you cannot see it. I'm using my other browser here. Hold on, let me check Hytale real quick. Okay, Hytale is only $12 for like the standard, which is all you need here. The other the other extra edition just give you some additional cosmetics. So yeah, the standard is all you need. And for like the other version, like 20 and 40, yeah. But I don't know. Maybe I could get Minecraft someday, but I'm mostly interested with Hytale. Well, not Hytale actually. Well, both Hytale and Vintage Story. So yeah. Roblox is free and it has a lot of different games inside. So I think you will find something you like. That's I don't know. I'm just not really interested with Roblox for a long time because I don't know. Just feel like the game looks terrible. But I used to think the same with Minecraft. Like, ew, what is this game? It's all blocky and pixelated. Disgusting. But then it ended up become my favorite thing. So I don't know. Maybe I could try Roblox someday. Like £30 UK. Yeah. I just flex cape on Bedrock. Reloaded the Rayman Legends Retold game. Ooh. Interesting. I haven't played any Rayman game. I really miss those kind of games. Like the first ever like game I played on my PlayStation 2 is like a SpongeBob game. And I don't know, I just really miss this kind of game. Can I show a thumbnail for a video I have? Sure. Just send it on DM. True, Roblox is also free. Yeah. No. Maybe I could try Roblox someday. Just play around with some games. Anyway, let's open Blender here. Ooh, that's nice. This is your thumbnail here. That's sick. Like, let me show it on stream here. Put it. Oh wait, I need to copy the link. Copy media link. Here we go. This is cool. Like the lighting and well, it still feels a bit bare bone for me. Like for a thumbnail, like I don't think this by itself is like eye catching, but the rendering looks good. Nice. Bro, wait until it's 17 UA, but yeah, it's a real freak. It's okay. Alrighty. Yeah, it looks nice. Like the overall render here. Anyway, let's go back here. Yeah, my friend helped me. Ah, nice. Alright, where's Blender? Okay. Oh yeah. So I just remember something. Not just actually. I got this a few days ago. But yeah, I've been using Blender 5.2 for a while. But I noticed a bit of a problem that I encountered here. But not a big problem, but so they added this option here called scroll to active. So whenever you select something, the viewport will automatically like focus on that object. Like immediately scroll. Like if the object is way down there, it will immediately go to that object. And while it seems nice, the problem is that when you have something with a lot of objects that are nested together, like let's use this Makoto rig. Please don't crash. There you go. Oh, what the hell? But yeah, as you can see, it immediately like focus on the selected object, and it's fine here when you're in object mode. When you go in like pose mode and select a specific bone, it goes straight to that bone, like so. And it's really annoying because now the whole outliner becomes very cluttered because all of the collections and objects are become expanded. So yeah, when you're using 5.2, make sure that you set the scroll to active to disable, because I think it's enabled by default. Let me open a default setup here. Ah yeah, the scroll to active is set to active by default. So yeah, if you're using 5.2, make sure to disable that setting, so you don't so you can get annoyed by that behavior. Also, one thing I really hope that Blender add is the ability to tag collection as always close. So that way, when you import an asset, the whole collection doesn't get like expanded like what happened previously. Let me do it again. Set browser. Let's use this. So when I import this asset, as you can see, all the collections got expanded like so. I really wish that there's like a tag or something where you can set the collection to always close. So whenever you import it from another file, it always sets as close. That way you can have a much cleaner outliner. Hello? You still having issue? I hope it's not that bad. Well, the net is going better here. It's back to green. Well, I don't know. Maybe you're still having issue. If you're still having issue, maybe you could try reloading the stream. But yeah, there's not much I can do here because this is a network problem. I cannot just call the network provider and say, hello, can you not lag, please? Anyway, let's go back to 5.1. Okay, you're asking for a simple rig. I mean, you can do it by yourself, but why not make it proper here? So, let's go to shot here. And then let's open here. Open, download. There you go. So you're aiming, so you're aiming for something like this, with like a very simple rig, have like 2 pixel eyes, and then like have like a simple control. What do you say here? Simple movement. So something like the promo style rig. Well, for this one, I already have the like promo style movement here. So yeah, could just use this immediately. But for the facial though, I need to modify this, which shouldn't be that hard because I could just remove them and like rearrange the controls. Oh man. I made a full rendered animation video about it. Ooh, nice. Maybe you can show it on the server. That will be cool. Hmm. Anyway, let's see. I need to find a texture that I could use as a like a reference. I should have a bunch of texture here, like in my collection. So 2 pixel and quite close to the bottom. How about this? This looks fine. Let's just use this. All right, change the texture. Minecraft folders, skin. There you go. Oh wait, no, this one is actually 1 pixel. It's quite lower. All right, do I have anything else here? I mean, I could just modify that. No, I don't have any. Oh, I like this one. Fine then. Let's just modify one of the skin I have. Open with GIMP. Oh wait, not this one. ABC. Here we go. Open with GIMP. There we go. Let's just remove the unnecessary stuff here, just to clean up the the file here. Well, no, I could just skip that. We paste, move this down. Then let's pick that. Oops. There you go. Might look a bit weird, but replace, export. There you go. Search the data. Open and open this. There you go. Oh, right. I accidentally removed that. All right. Let's start by actually let's remove the mesh first. Let's see the mouth, delete that, visual T, delete that. What else? Eyelashes. I don't think you need this, so could just remove that. I'll keep this. That's the bone shape. Anchor teeth, delete that. Full mouth. What this one do? Forgot. All right, this is what the mouth. Delete that. All right. Next, let's remove the mouth here. Just select this, move this to the side, select all that, delete, select all this, delete. There we go. That's the facial rig. Okay, enable the bone shape, facial panel, in and outer. Let's snap it there. Oh, right. There you go. Snap there. 90.5, 0.4. All right, select all of this, delete, set origin to the cursor, snap it there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. One, two, three. There we go. Nice. There you go. Next, I just need to move this to right where the eye is. So snap there. Snap there. And I think for this one, I could just use static transform to keep it simple. I could modify the bone and stuff, but much easier this way. So transformation, static trans, G-Y, rig, simple preset, static bone, local space, and then copy the position here to the Y, undo, there you go. Now this one will stay in this position always. All right, next I just need to move this up. There you go, copy that. I could reuse this, so move this There we go. Let me check. Okay, that still work. Copy there. Same with here. Copy, and there you go. And then what else here? There's eyebrows. I think I could just scale this down or something. Okay, 1, 9, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 4, 7, 7, 3, 7, 2, 7, 6, 5, 7, 8. There you go. Close enough. 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 8, 1. There you go. It looks a bit weird there. Actually, maybe I could make this permanent instead. Whatever. Let's just set this to static transform for now. So copy this again. Zero this out. This will be s dash xy. Copy the scale. Copy the scale. I'll scale. There you go. It looks a bit weird there because it's extended a bit like so. I think this is because of this. Interesting. I'll check that one out later. Copy there. Okay, next is the eyes. I need this to be like 2 pixels. Now that I need to make this flush here. 1.5, 5, 1, 5. 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1. That's close enough. And then I need to let's disable this so I can better see. Build this on the Y. For 2, for 3, for 4, for 5. There we go. Let's copy this. Copy the value. There you go. Now I just need to copy this to the side. And there you go. That should be it. So as I said, there's this problem here. And maybe I could apply the transformation. So in that case, let me save this first. Downloads, so just put it there. 5.1, 5.1. simple preset custom P10 custom dash P underscore 1.001. There you go. All right. Let's copy this there. Anyway, I'm gonna be silent here for a bit. Hey, that should be all here. Next, let's apply. Let's make a duplicate first. Disable this. Apply. Now add this back. Oh wait, don't add that back first. Duplicate. Disable. Move this up. Apply. Where else? Okay. Duplicate. Move this up. Disable. Apply. Okay, for this, I need to Alt P clear keep transformation. There you go. Then apply the scale. All right. And then I need to go to the anchor for this. And then Alt P clear keep transformation. This should, there you go. Keep that. And then what else here? I think that's all here. This one's already applied. One already applied. This one already reset. One already applied. So now I could just select everything. Shift A, apply pose to rest pose, and whoa. No, it's not parented. Oh wait, I forgot. There's the boolean. Ah, good thing I remember. Okay, duplicate, move this up, disable, apply. Duplicate, move this up, disable, apply. There we go. Now, if I select all here, and then Control A, apply pose at rest pose. There we go. The bone shape all messed up, but I could just fix that. But now this should work if I enable this. Yeah, here we go. Now I need to parent this again to the iris. Yep, this is the left side. We should go to the right side. Same with the visual mesh here. Left side. Right side. And then here we go. Enable this. Enable this. And enable this. And there we go. Now this should be permanent. Yep. Nice. And it stayed the same. Now I just need to fix the bone shape here. Okay, I need to scale this down. That's odd. Oh, it's because it's negative 0.65. No, 0.64. There you go. This will be 0.3. Oh, this one is negative. Okay, I think that should be all here. Yep. What else? This I need to scale on the Y. There you go. This I need to scale on the X. 0.29. And I think that's about it here. Disable the internal. I think for this one, I could just move this back to position, set origin to geometry. Copy this, paste it there. Oh, it clipped. Well, I could just edit this manually. Let's Alt P. Origin geometry, Alt P. Oh, why cannot select it? Oh, it's because it's hidden. Origin to geometry. It is the same position. Well, let's just fix the position then. There we go. Oh, 0.0001. Yeah, that's close enough. Oh, actually, why not make it flush there, but then add solidify. Just a bit of solidify. A teeny tiny amount of solidify. Like so. Oh, it's not perfect here. There you go. All right. Nice. And the last thing I need to do is to edit the eyes here. So it became only like 2 color. Okay. I don't remember how this one worked. There's so many stuff here. Okay, let's see. Separation. I need to find this separation. So this. Yeah, it's this one. This is data. Okay, this, and then goes here. There you go. This is the input we need. So I just need to add another mix. Color. Put this here. And then let's go find the other separation. Anchor left. Mapping. Oh, it's over there. This should be the same. Yep. Oh wait, I forgot. This is not the output. Because then I need to put the border as well. Okay. It's gonna be a bit complicated here. Okay, remove all of... it's better to make a safe increment hill. Delete this. So we got separation, we got the color. Now I just need to find the... not that one. This iris toggle, not that one. King 4. So mix. Oh wait, not yet actually. I need to also find the what is it? It's Clara. Where is it? It's Clara color. Yes, border. Ah, it's over there. Right at the end there. Where's this go? Ah, that's the mask. Oh wait, if that's the case, then I don't need to use that. We just use this whole data directly. Oh, no need for this. Just need this. Not that. This. There you go. Let's move this up here. Okay. I need this Clara. Okay, let's cut this and find the other side. Should be up here, over here. Yep, there we go. So delete this, and here let's move this up here, and plug this here, and plug this other one here, and now there you go. Nice. Okay, now I can just delete the rest of this. There you go. Rearrange the node, enter, and there you go. There's the new iris shader. Now I just need to remove the unnecessary setting here. So let's go here. Anchor, still need those. I don't have any sparkle, so oops. One by one. Don't have border. Don't have pupil. Have separation. I think I still need this. Might still work. I still Okay, I'm gonna keep this. And yeah, I think that's it here. Arrange that. There you go. Let's give this a test. Okay, everything seems to be working just fine here. Alrighty, I think we're set here. So one thing left, I want to modify this, the texture, unlike this. So let me open the texture file. Should be here. Actually, I could just use that one, the default one. Ender, rig, others, skin main symbol. Yeah, here I go. Maybe I could modify the hair a bit. Where's the texture file? No, that's rig folder, not that one. Rig, others. There it goes. Skin sample main. Open with GIMP. Okay. Then let's use that one as reference. Open with GIMP. Convert. All right. Where is this? Okay. 2, 1, 2. And then of course 3. 1, 2. Keep this one. And just continue. I think this here is the seam. The seam like the edge here. I think it is extended back here. Or something like this. Well, whatever. It's just a default skin here for the rig. Export that. All right. Let's change this. It's a bit weird. Oh, whatever. You probably have a better skin available. In that case, why not just reuse that? Or this one. This one looks good. Just need to remove the facial here. Well, export as. Export. Image reload. There we go. No, actually that's fit just fine. Just need to open the original. And then copy the color here for the iris. There you go. Good enough. Okay, purge that. Remove that. Remove that. Then let's clean this up. Anything that's not parented. Okay, this one is not parented. Keep transform. Okay. Let's hide all of this. But yeah, there you go. Save as simple preset custom version 1. Oh yeah, don't forget to pack the resources. And might as well clean the data once more. There you go. Alrighty. The rig is done. There you go. Looking good. Alright. I'm gonna pack this and send this on Discord. Oh, wait. I forgot to to close the order overlay again. But yeah, here's the final result here. Okay. Now I'm gonna pack this and send this to Blender. Blender. I mean, send this to Discord. Oh, where is it? WinRAR at archive. It's to best compression. Alrighty. Alrighty. One done. What else should I work on next? Peak. I was AFK for a bit. My bad. No problem. There you go. I already sent the rig on Discord there. Alright. What else should I work on? Let me think. Make a duck. I don't know. Duck. Wait. I do have this one I need to make. So I've been working on a new version of Enric. Well, not completely new version, just a new update for MCS3 version 1.2. And it's pretty much done. The only thing I need to make is like a promo render. So maybe I could make that. So this one I'm gonna use Blender 5.2. That's why not. I like using the latest version of Blender. There we go. Okay. Delete this, delete this. For this, I need default preset. And then what else? So let's put this MC main. So I'm thinking about something like this one. Just a simple render. Where is it? MCS3 release content. like this one over here. Oh yeah, especially because one of the big feature that I added on version 1.2 is the new enum setting. So I will definitely need to add the Rick UI on the back again. But yeah, so just a character posing, Rick UI again, and then update v1.2. So yeah, first thing first, I need to make I need to have that Rick UI as an image. So let's run this. Then go here. Which one should I use? It should be here on the features. So join down. Let's take a screenshot of this. There we go. Then let's open this on GIMP so I could edit it and clean it up. All right, there we go. Hi there, Tapan-chan. Welcome to the stream. Okay, cut this. Cut this. Cut this. And then here we'll cut right at here. There we go. And then just some clean up here on the edge. There you go. Align it there so it's easier for me to crop here. Pull this all the way down. Like so, and then enter. There you go. If no one watching, you still talk? Well, a bit. Though if I'm like get tired of it, then I will definitely stop talking. But I'll try to like say something while on stream. Just so whatever watching, especially for those like watch the stream afterward, doesn't get like bored, and I just like get an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, Rick UI 1 export. All right. Nice. Now we can go back to Blender here. Discard this. And then here, let's go to shot here. Then MC main, ship A, image, which one? Boo. Mesh plane. It's in download. So download Ricky Y1. There we go. All right, there you go. And then might as well import the text. object that I used before. So I need to open my old file. Okay, MCS3 release content. Wait, okay, MC text title. There we go. That's the collection name. So append MCS3 release content collection MC text title. There you go. Let's just edit this to 1.2. And then the resolution for the camera is 1080 by 1080. So 1080. There we go. Now we just need to post this. Let me find some good reference for this. Okay, let's see. Anything interesting? I mean, this looks nice. But let's see, there's anything else. I mean, it doesn't matter what post I put here, but I want to find something that is somewhat interesting. Ooh, this one looks interesting. Okay, I think I have an idea here. Okay, open. Let's see, where is this? It should be on. Where do I put this? Images. There you go. Images, Minecraft reference, full body. What's the name here? F5T1. So F5T1. Open image. There you go. It won't be exact match, but somewhat close. Oh wait, I opened it on the wrong on the wrong window. Okay, images, Minecraft reference, full body. There you go, and make it big user. All right, let's post this. Image, where is it? Transform, flip horizontally. There you go. Set this to world so it's somewhat easier to control. There you go. I got the shot here. What do you want the character to do? Dance? No, I just want to do this like a floating pose here, where characters like I don't know, just doing like this kind of pose here. Basically, I just want to make something like let me reopen that image. No, that's GIMP. I need to open this on Firefox. Okay, I want to make something like this. Just a simple render for a v1.2 update here. So say character, and then the Rick UI on the back, and then the update the text here. .2 crazy. Yeah, there's actually a few updates on 1.2. Let me open the release note here. Let's see. Okay, so the big update is that there's a new enum setting. So previously, stuff like let me open the UI here. Stuff like the arm type and the finger rotation here. Originally, these settings are set using the integer custom properties. So you need to like slide the or change the like number, and it might be difficult to find what number set to what, especially for when previously with the parent tree. But now I'm using enum here. So if I go to the setting here, there you go. Now it's a drop down. Now internally, it's still an integer, as you can see here, but using a script, a script here, a Python script, I'm able to convert the enum custom property into enum, the integer custom property to enum. So now it's become this drop-down menu here. As you can see here, for finger rotation, I can change this with text here. So default, back, right, front, and then for the arm type here, this one I'm actually using the expanded enum setting on the Rick UI script. This one here. That way it became this like row of button instead of like a regular drop down with the normal enum. So yeah, that's one new thing. The other one is that I clean up the invalid drivers from all assets files. So yeah, previously the asset file have a bunch of invalid drivers, like error you get when driver is not properly set up or something like that, or when you become orphan. So yeah, they have a bunch of those, and the problem is that it's not just one single driver, or like, so there's this weird bug in Blender where if you like I thought someone called me. So basically, there's this weird bug in Blender where if you like have a okay, let me chill out so I can better explain this. Okay, so if you have a rig with an invalid driver in that rig, and then you like make a duplicate, merge it, and then separate it, the invalid driver becomes duplicated. But the weird thing is that it becomes duplicated where one becomes active and the other one becomes almost like a ghost. I think I do made that. I keep forgetting things. I do made a bug report here in Blender. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on. The developer website is still loading. Okay, there you go. Project package. Nope, I don't have anything here. Notification. There you go. Found it. Okay, here we go. Here's my bug report that I made. And let's see here. All right. Test. Okay, so here. Okay, I hope you can hear the audio here. We have a simple rig here. It's just two bone, A and B. The B bone has a copy transform and it has a driver set to these custom properties here on the bone A. And if we move this, it doesn't do anything. And we set this to 1. Bone B now follows bone A. Now, if I add an armature and then join the armature like so, and then the bone here I separate it using the separate bones operator here. As you can see here, now this bone contains this driver here, and as you can see it says error invalid target channel. So this driver is error because, well, it's originally from here and somehow it got copied here. Now if I do this again by joining it again and then separating this again, as you can see, you got another duplicate here. But the weird thing is that this one doesn't have the error here. And then I can do this again and again. And yeah, basically that's the bug here, where if you like join the rig and then separating the rig, you get like this duplicate driver that like invalid. And then if you keep doing it, you get this like driver that like a ghost, where the blender doesn't detect it, but it's there. So yeah, because of the MCS system where I do like separate and join rig a bunch of times, I get a bunch of these error, like invalid drivers in my asset file. So I remove them using my script. Well, not really. I use Cloud to help build the script. But yeah, that problem is solved. It's not really much of a problem. The rig still works just fine. It's just that the invalid driver creates a bunch of error messages on like the terminal, and I don't know, I just want to keep the asset file clean. So yeah, I remove those. And then there's the new bone color asset for the base content. So here, let me open the asset browser here. Module, yeah, there you go. So there's this bone color set here. So when you want to color the rig but don't want to like as you can see here, the bone color is actually custom here. And if you don't want to like copy the color manually from the another rig, you can just use this. So an example is that, let's say you have this armature here and you want to color this. You just wait, I need the object mode. Just import this, make sure everything's selected and go to post mode. Now I want to make this green, and I just select this, and then click on this button. There you go, it becomes green. Now if I want to make this blue, same thing, select the bone you want, and this works on multiple bones. So if I have like 3 bones like so, I just need to select this, and then I want this to be red, so select these 2 and then this one, click this. Now this become red, and I want this to be yellow. Just select that, select this, copy, there you go, becomes yellow. So yeah, it's just a way for you to easily color the bone, like if you want to make it the same color as my rig here. So yeah, that's one. And then these 2 actually I just added recently. First thing is I removed the parent tree setting. So here there used to be a parent tree section here. Now it's deleted. And also if you go to the like IK controller, now the constraint is here, like the armature and the static transform. That's because now if you check here, there's no more the IK parent tree and IK pole parent tree setting, because I removed them. Because nobody really used that, I think. And also it makes it a bit difficult if you want to add like your own custom parent tree, Like if you want this bone to parent to, I don't know, the head or something like that, you could easily add that by adding a new target bone and then set the setting here. But because the parent tree setting is tied to custom properties and then tied to the rig UI, you will need to modify both the custom properties, rig UI, and also you need to edit the driver. Oh yeah, I end up removing them, so it's much easier to like customize and yeah. And the last thing is just renaming the eye whites material to Clara, because I just realized this thing is called sclera, not eye white. Just call them eye whites because normally this part is white, but what if your character eyes is not white? Like this one, if it's like black or something like that. So yeah, I just renamed it sclera, as you can see here. So yeah, those are the updates. Weird bug. Yeah, the weird bug. Though even weirdly, I haven't got any update from the bug report that I made. Probably because the developer is just busy with or stuff. Oh. Oh wait. Oh. Wait a minute. I think they just fixed this. Reference to pull will select month. Yes, this is a fix for my bug. Let me open this again. Yeah, here you go. Fix for this bug here. Yeah, this is my bug report, and this is the fix. Separating armature keeps out driver. When separating bones from the armature, the code will actually duplicate the armature and selectively delete the bone from this armature to get the effect of separation. And this kept out driver, meaning this fix checks driver after a bone is deleted and that's how the driver is no longer restored to a bone. Nice. I don't see any like information on if this oh, it's in 5.2 release, so it's in 5.2 now. Nice. Woohoo. All right, at least something good. At least this bug should be fixed now. Nice. Should give the test. Yeah, why not? No. Now let's just do it later. Or maybe, yeah. I mean, I still have the test file here, so let's just download this. Let's go back here, and then let's save this first. Save as. Save. Let's see. Another project. CS3 release content. V1.2 release update thumb. Save. There you go. Now splash screen. Open. It should be on download. Test file. There you go. Oh, here you go. Okay, so here's the rig I made. We have the driver here. Let's add an armature. Join this, and then here, let's separate that. Okay, it still creates the invalid driver, but what happens if I join it again and then separate it? Okay, it still creates that. Wait a minute. No, maybe it's not yet merged here. When is this? Last month, actually. Last week. I don't know, maybe it just haven't been merged yet. I'll check it out some other time. Maybe by then it will be fixed. But yeah, let's go back to the project here. Don't save. Execution. That's so instantly fast, dude. Nice. Yeah. It seems like that patch hasn't been merged yet. Or maybe my build is a bit outdated here. I don't know. I'll check it again sometime. And also, as I said previously, the bug is not really like intrusive. I just want to get rid of those because I want to keep the asset file clean. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. Set this to world. Okay, the UI is covering my view. There you go. Just a simple pose. Nice. If I make your project slow, no worries. Actually, I like when people talk in chat. Makes the stream less lonely. Because most of the time the chat is quite silent, and whenever I'm speaking into nothingness. So yeah, just keep chatting if you want. All right. All right, this looks good. And there's some space for the UI. All right. And now animation, copy the position, paste. Let's reduce this a bit. There you go. And then copy this again. Paste. All right, good enough. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now it should be ready. Oh wait, I haven't set the, I haven't posted the facial. Why do you need the head on top? You mean this one here? This is the head extrude mesh. So this is used when you want to make like a hair extrusion or something like that. Because here, this is the facial mesh here. As you can see, this is where all the facial stuff here. And you cannot extrude this part easily because of all of the all this stuff here. So that's why I created another mesh here and just put it on top here. So when you want to add like a hair, you could like just select this, then extrude them, then like move them down. So yeah. Okay, make this a bit bigger. Yeah, maybe even reduce this a bit. There you go. Good enough. Pulse this up a bit. There you go. All right. Now we can go to lighting. Hey there, Zitron. Welcome to the stream. Oh wow, it's already 8:30. Okay, let's save first. Light. Here will be car. Yes, this one is for the character. Light area. And then shading, shadow, LG, car. Put this here. And also set this to transparent. And let's delete this because I don't need that. Okay, good enough. Now this one for the text. LG text. LG text. We're gonna put the text mesh there. I want this to have a nice fall off there. Like the bright side and then the dark side there. Nice. And then lastly, I just need another one for the rig UI. LG rig UI. LG rig UI. Then let's just put this here. There you go. Make them big. 50. Make them even bigger. Oh, actually, it's good. Just need to put it on the right position and make it even brighter here. 75. And maybe even also adjust the material. No, this one also use the default. And let's just add a bit of subdivision here. Okay, subdivision 0.2. Okay, definitely need more highlight here. But yeah, I think this is good enough. Next thing I need to do is to adjust the result in the compositor. Nighttime? Yeah. Currently it's 8:37 p.m. Are you really on Windows XP? Nah, this is just my OBS overlay here. All of this here, it's just graphics I made for OBS. It's not actually, I'm not actually using Windows XP here. I'm currently using even worse than Windows XP. I'm using Windows 11. Yeah. I really want to switch to Mac someday. But Macs are expensive. So I'm saving my money for it. PM or AM? I'm on PM here. Bro, you're in Asia. Yeah. I'm from Indonesia. This XP way, way better. Yeah. I really miss that. I mean, Windows XP is my first ever like Windows ever use. And then the most used one will be the other one that I really like, gotta be 7. Yeah, Windows XP and 7 is like the best Windows. And then 8, I never use 8, but I tried it and it's terrible. Mainly because I don't really understand like what they are aiming for with Windows 8. And then 9 doesn't exist. And then 10 is fine. But then there's Windows 11. Like, I don't think they need to make another Windows. I mean, they could just continue with 10 forever. But I guess they need to rebrand so they could sell more Windows, because if everyone keep using Windows 10, then they're not gonna make any money from the operating system. So they need to make a new Windows, but not actually. It's just basically Windows 10, but with a new coat of paint. But not even that much new coat of paint. It's basically the same thing. But yeah. Not really hate Windows 11 much, but I don't know. I prefer the simplicity of Windows 10 now. But there's so much stuff here that doesn't feel right with Windows 11. 7 was Windows XP with more compatibility, and also more what is it? More usability? I don't know. I just prefer Windows XP instead of in terms of style, but Windows 7 is, I don't know, it's like the one I use the most before I use Windows 10. I don't know, South of what? Southeast Asia. I'm from Indonesia, so Southeast Asia. All right, I'm gonna use my usual setup here. So exposure and then hue saturation, and of course the contrast node. This one I need to import for my other projects. Pose off for there you go, CNG contrast, and then color correction. All right, might need to make a separate render here for each element. So let's start by the character, setting the character. Oh wait, I forgot. There's the tune image node. So let's add that. Should this be before or after? Okay, this should be before the color correction. At least that's what I set up before. Okay, increase the exposure, 0.5, saturation a bit. There we go. 1.15 contrast. No, I think this should be 0.1. Contrast to 0.2. And then clarity 0.05. Detail 0.1. Sharpen 0.05. And maybe this exposure a bit more. Yeah, 0.7. And let's see. Uh, 1.2. Not that. Not that. Okay, I think that's it here for the character. Let's make another duplicate. This one will be for the let's start with the text here. Make this super bright. I don't know, 10. We need this. And then contrast. Make it super high, 175. No need tune image, no need this. Okay, that's the for the text. And then lastly is the title. Exposure. Oh. I plugged it into the the wrong socket. Okay. I need to reposition the light here. There we go. Hue saturation. Hue saturation. There you go. I have a difficulty on saying that. I don't think I need this. Contrast. Yeah, there you go. Make it much sharper here. Maybe then I can add the saturation. No, actually, let's keep it that way. Tune image. Does this do anything? Just a tiny amount. So 0.15. 0.1. Keep this one to 0. Okay, I think I got the setup here. Now I just need to render each element. So Let's start with the character first here with this one. So render that. I'm very started at Blender. Yeah. Well, if you have anything you want to know about Blender, well, you could ask me on Discord or on whatever. Yeah. So how long have you been using Blender? As for me, I've been using it for like 6 years. Yeah, 6 or maybe even 7 years. Because I started like using Blender on like 2019, 2020. So yeah. I'm quite a old user here. All right, let's save this. 12 dash A array. Next will be the text. Remove this. This one should be fast. When a 6-7, huh? No. I don't remember exactly when I start, but it should be somewhere around 2019 or 2020. So yeah, 6 or 7 years. Okay, our last one is this one. All right, it's done. Save as. There you go. That should be it here. Let's clean up the file here. All right, save this. And now let's go to GIMP. So I'm gonna open the file here. Oh, please don't crash. No! Nah! Damn you, Windows! Ah! I hate it. Okay, thank goodness. It doesn't crash the whole it doesn't crash the whole OS here. For some reason, some Windows 11 like to like freeze on me. Like I think it's the file explorer here. Like for example, for some reason, just stop working, and then I think file explorer is like an integral part of the OS. So when when the explorer freezes, the whole OS freezes. Huh. Okay, where the hell is that file? Okay, nice. Still here. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, wait. What the hell? Why does it open with it? Nah, whatever. I hate you, Windows. I want to switch to Mac. I do want to use Linux, but I don't know. I just feel like Linux not fully matured yet, or maybe not that. I just feel like Linux is still not like stable. It's not like the OS is unstable, but things just keeps changing a lot, and also the support is not as good as something like Windows or Mac. So yeah. So I would love to use Linux because I've used it before, and yeah, maybe if I have like a spare computer, maybe I could install Linux on that one. Okay, here we go. That's the first image. Now open as layer. the other element. This should be on the back. New layer. This will be the background. And then I need to copy the background color from this one. Huh? Okay, there we go. Copy that. Put it there. There we go. And then let's adjust the color a bit here. Add more exposure. 0.4. Yep, nice. Here, exposure, just the blackness. 0.05. 0.01. And then here, there you go. Now for this, I need to add like a shadow part or whatever here, because as you can see, the text is like blending with the rest of the image, so I need to separate them. So just make a box here. Yeah, like so. And then here, I'm just gonna set this to black. And then filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Blur this a lot. Like so. Yeah, we just set it to 100. Reduce this a bit. 50. Duplicate. Duplicate. But yeah, here we go. Nice. And there you have it. The promo render for the 1.2 update. Alright. Let's save as. What should I save this? Where's the other file? And there you go. Rename, copy the name, update v1.2 thumb, save, and export. There you go. It's done. Oh, wait. Whatever. We could just view it on game. Oh, wait. Why look at this when you can just look at the source file? But yeah, there you go. Here's the result. With this done, now I should be able to release update 1.2. I don't know when, but maybe not tomorrow. I want to have a vacation tomorrow. I don't want to continuously working on project. So I can't do it on Wednesday because that's my birthday. So maybe either Monday or Tuesday next week. And yeah, I got everything set up. I just need to pack the asset and then upload it on Gumroad. And for the release note, I already have that written down. So yeah, it's pretty much ready to release. So yeah, maybe either Monday or Tuesday next week. And look at that, it's already 8:55. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here for today. Okay, let me read the chat here a bit. There is 6-7 reference. I'm playing AI Minecraft. AI Minecraft? What is that? Like a terrible version of Minecraft. Can't hear your PC. Windows 11 is laggier and very buggy. Yeah, it breaks a lot. I think it's mainly because they stopped using actual developer and just let AI do the coding. Pause. I use Arch, by the way. Actually, I do use Arch, though not like vanilla Arch. Back when I still using Linux, I'm using a Manjaro Linux because, well, I'm not smart enough to install Arch from scratch. But yeah, I did use Arch-based Linux back then. Spoiler alert, my system didn't crash for at least 2 years. Damn. Mine only lasts like a year or maybe half a year. And it only broke because of my own mistake. So I tried to delete some stuff. I think it's a program, but I think when I delete it, it gives me like a warning, like this. There's like other dependency that this program used. Do you want to delete it as well? And I was like, yeah, I want to remove everything from this program. Turns out those dependency stuff are like KDE, like core stuff. So when I reboot my system, it just dumped me straight to terminal because some like GUI stuff got deleted and like, yeah, it cannot boot to GUI. And I was like panicking, like, holy shit, I just bricked my computer. And also I never used Linux before, so I don't know what to do. Luckily, after like talking, well, actually begging on the forum, I finally found out how to like trace back what I just deleted, and I like re-downloaded all the stuff I deleted, and the system boot again like normal. But after that, I was like traumatized, and that's it. I don't want to use Linux again. Bring me back to Windows. It does work well, sometimes even better than Windows. Yeah, I mean Blender runs much better on Windows, on Linux, compared to Windows. Like, it's only a small bit of like performance increase, but yeah, Blender is much better on Linux. At 9 p.m. Bye. Alright. Bro pull off with the hot tech from Lords of Years and went back and make a masterpiece. Looks so good. Nice. And I'm stuff good with you trying Linux for the first time. It won't be the first time again because I already used Linux before. But I don't know. Maybe I could try again someday. But yeah, I need another computer because I cannot risk installing Linux on my main laptop here. But anyways, have fun watching. Nice. Good to hear. Like and subs. Oh, thank you so much. Manjaro is famous for breaking. I don't know. I haven't had any issue when using Manjaro. And also, back then, Manjaro is like the only, not the only, I think, but like the popular one, a popular Arch-based Linux. But yeah, try Casio as standard or Machi. Actually, I want to try something even more boring. I want to try Fedora. I don't know. Maybe after the stuff happened with Manjaro is that when I want to use Linux, I want to use the most stable, the most boring OS possible. So either Manjaro or Ubuntu. LT moment recreated. Yeah. I mean, back then I don't know what I'm doing. When I was typing on the terminal, I thought myself like a hacker or like a programmer or something cool, whatever. But I never really like fully understand it. So I just type it and let the computer do that thing. Now you have time shifts, a tool to reverse fixes. Do it next time. Yeah, I don't have that before. I only know that after I break my computer. So yeah. Bro, crash out. When you're breaking shit, isn't your fault. No, it is actually my fault. I should read the warning first instead of just blindly yes, 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 or the terminal. But yeah. Hey, the Cumanar. Welcome to the stream. Unfortunately, you're joining right at the end of the stream. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. There have been 2 whole days where Manjaro broke the AUR repo itself. Really? I mean, it's possible because Manjaro have its own like repository, not using like straight AUR repo. Fedora got save you from lag and bloat. Ubuntu don't. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I could try some more exotic Linux. Like, I don't know. Maybe I could use Slackware. That's old SF. Kachio Nomachi is flat out denies, says no, you cannot release packages. Yeah, maybe I could try that summertime. I mean, I could also try it now. I could install VM. But for some reason, here in my laptop here, and in Windows 11, VM runs very slowly. I don't know why. Like, every time I try to install some VM, either it's using VMware or the VirtualBox, it runs like shit. It's slow. It works, yes, but it's slow. Not usable. I want something that is fast enough and enjoyable enough to use. Like, it won't be my main system, but at least I could like actually use it for something. But here, I cannot use it. So yeah, that's why I said that I need another computer to install to actually use Linux, because I don't want to risk my main laptop and I want something that I could just play around with. Or you can get Archway like me. Actually, I tried installing Arch some time ago. Didn't work. Mainly because there's so many steps there. And like, it's hard for me to like remember the things to do. But yeah, maybe I could try that again someday. Fun fact, running Windows VM and Linux faster than Linux VM and Windows. I mean, yeah, Windows is bloated, so maybe that's why. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here for the night. It's already 9:03 p.m. here. So yeah, as I said on the opening there, I won't be streaming next week and maybe the other week afterwards. The week afterwards because of my exam. So yeah. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. I'll let you know when I can stream again. Hey there, Jar. I'm too late? Yeah, actually, I was just about to close the stream. To offline, that's all the best. Alright, see you next time. Alrighty. See you again. The week after next week. Really, Jar, it's just been random stuff. Hell no, I'm not lucky. Anyway. See you later. Bye.